Hello everyone. This is happening and this is real. ChatGPT Atlas Web Browser. So, what does that mean? If you go to ChatGPT and you see this one here, try Atlas, that means you can download ChatGPT new browser. So, when you press download, it will take you to its page, which is this one. And let me show you what we have in this browser. Let me put this down. All right, so you can read all the features here. Bring ChatGPT with you across the web for instant answers, smarter suggestions, and help with tasks, all with the privacy settings you can control. So, what you can do, unlock the web with ChatGPT by your side. Okay, you can use ChatGPT browser sidebar in any window to summarize content, compare products, or analyze data from any site you're viewing. So it's instant ChatGPT enabled on any page. Second thing, pick up where you left off. So you can choose what ChatGPT remembers. So it bring you relevant details when you need them. Takes action for you. This is the big thing. In agent mode, ChatGPT interact with sites for you, always under your control. Use it to do tasks from start to finish, like research and shopping for a trip. Available in preview for Plus, Pro, and Business accounts. So this is for the paid members. It's a paid feature where it can take action for you. It can order things for you. Assist you when and where you need. So you're writing an email, turn your cursor into collaborator, highlight text in email, calendar invites, or docs, and get help from chat in one click. This is so big. This feature is amazing. I tried Google Gemini and I love it and I work on it, but this is a big challenge now for Google of what we're seeing here. You're in control, so smarter search, easy to use, make it custom. Let's see how does it work. So when you press get started, it go to download and you can download it. So for Mac user, you can simply move this to your application, and once it's done, you can open the application and check it. So here we go. You allow it from your Mac and you log in with ChatGPT. Let's try it out and see what's going on. All right. Here you can use your ChatGPT login and go from there. All right, this is some security features I have. Done. And here you have the option to import data from another browser. So here you can bring your bookmarks, browsing history over from Safari to pick up where you left. So won't affect your experience on Safari. You can skip it or start imports. I love to import from both, or I'll start with Safari for now. You can choose from Chrome here as well. All right, you have to do some setting. You have to open system setting here and allow to Atlas need full disk access. So we can do this by going to setting and going to, let's see, it's not here yet. Okay, let me skip this step for now. Turn on browsing memory, turn on, continue. Ask ChatGPT on any website. So on any website you're browsing, you can ask ChatGPT on all the information. If there any information there you want to get more information, you can find coupons or discount codes, for example. Make your cursor a collaborator. ChatGPT can help you draft emails, write reviews, or fill out forms. So highlight text inside a form, field, or doc, and click the ChatGPT logo to get started. Interesting. Make this okay. Like you can select a word and say make this easier to understand. So it will explain it right away. We'll try some now. Set a default. Let's see for now. Yes. You ChatGPT Atlas. Alright, you're all set. Welcome to Atlas. Have fun exploring the web with ChatGPT by your side, all while staying in control of your data and privacy. This is the most important thing to stay in so we can stay in control of our data and privacy. Let's see. So this is Atlas. Here you need to, if you have Mac, you need to allow a ChatGPT to find devices on local network. So this will allow the app to discover, connect to, and collect data from devices on your network. Usually I do this, allow it. And now there's different modes here, as we can see. Agent mode, ask ChatGPT to perform complex tasks in the browser for you. Start to study mode, to master a tough topic. Outline a short story on Canvas. Compare phone plans and pick up the best deal. So it can run tasks like this. Agent mode, if you select it, you have plan a weekly get together with friend. Ask me question about how I want to use ChatGPT. So there's a lot of things you can do here. All right. I want to make sure I have my account here. So yes, my account here, and here we can have the bookmarks, downloads, extension, password, and so on. And let's see this feature about the color. Oh, nice. You can change the color up there. Perfect. So another feature here, you can choose the GPT version. Here you can have auto, decide how long to think, instant, answer right away, think mini, thinking mini, thinks quickly, thinks longer for better answers, or legacy modes. Here you go to the old versions. All right. So let's try the browser as a regular browser. If you open new tab from the top here, you can press here on the empty, it's empty space here, but when you press on it, you can go to ask question or go to URL. Same thing here, ask ChatGPT or type URL. I want to ask something, let me do it from the top. So I want to ask question, what is the best way to lose weight? Okay. The reason I'm showing you this, when we have a question, the first thing we get results from ChatGPT. Okay, and it gives us the answers here. Here it's giving me nutrition 80% of the game, and then the movement, the lifestyle, and so on. So this is the first result comes from ChatGPT, while the second one comes from search, like Google. You see Google here. Okay, this is the search result. Then the third one, images. You can see images about this topic, or videos. Same thing, videos comes from YouTube, so it's nice. So you're still on Google. You still have Google, access to Google and YouTube from it. Then in news, this is a new feature. I like it to have in the news what's going on for the topic you're searching. So that's all about it for now. I'll make sure to send you any updates soon. All right. Thank you. Go ahead, try it and let me know.